Hello families, welcome back again to my channel. Yes guys, today I am so happy, so excited because I have a new topic in which I'm going to be discussing on this video. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do, because there is a lot coming on in this channel. All I wanted to do is to please watch these videos to the end. It is very advisable that you watch this particular video to the end. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's jump into this video. Yes guys, today I am going to be talking about how you can spiritually make your enemies mad. Yes guys, we all know what the enemies is all about. These enemies can cause a lot of damages into your life, so if you don't want to take any chances, this is what you are going to be doing. So today we are going to be making use of our alligator pepper. Yes guys, this is how you are going to use this alligator pepper to make your enemies physically mad. Yes guys, if you're doing this particular assignment, you have to be very serious on it, and I showed you, if you do it with all your mind, with all aggressiveness, you are going to be seeing results. So friends, if your enemy says that you're not going to sleep, that he or she will not allow you to possess your possession, if he or she is saying that he is not going to allow you to take what rightfully belongs to you, then you have no choice than to do this assignment for them. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me quickly introduce to you guys what the alligator pepper is all about, because I know most of us here in this room don't know about alligator pepper and they haven't seen it. So let me quickly introduce to you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is alligator pepper. Can you see it? Yes, this is alligator pepper. So in this particular assignment now, we are going to be selecting 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Okay, so watch me do this. So this one here, I've already opened it. So this is the one I've been making use of for a very long time now. So we are going to be selecting 7 seeds out from this one. 7 seeds, guys. If you are selecting 7 seeds, you have to make sure it's not more than 7 seeds and it's not, lesser than 7 seeds. Okay. I think it's up to 7. I think it's up to 7. 7. 6. Remaining 1 to complete it. 7, guys. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We are going to be needing 7. Okay guys, so this is, I don't know if you can see it, this is 7 seeds of alligator pepper. So when you get this 7 seeds of alligator pepper, in the morning when you wake up from the sleep, you pray. After praying to your God, to Almighty God in heaven, then you don't have to brush your mouth. Look towards the sun direction, where the sun normally comes out early in the morning. You might not, in fact, it's not a compulsory thing that you go outside to look for sun direction towards you. You can easily detect that even in your room. All you have to do is to fix towards the direction of sun. Okay, so when you get there, call the person's name. But guys, I have to state this very clearly. If you must do this assignment, you have to make sure that you know who is after your life. You have to make sure that you know that yes, you are certain, you are sure that this person is responsible before going into this assignment. So when you are sure of the person, that is when you are going to be doing this assignment. When you get to the sun's direction, stand there, call the person's name 3 times. Do just like this. If it is Chidi, you say, Chidi, you have not done anything to him. Now why is he troubling your life? You call his name 3 times and say the same thing 3 times, and then Take this 7 alligator pepper seed, choke it in your mouth, chew very, very well, and then call the person's name again 3 times. You call the first one. After chewing, you are not going to swallow it too. You call the person's name first time, you spit it out. Chidi, you said I will not sleep. You will not sleep. Chidi, you said I shall not possess my possession. You will not possess your possession. Second time. Chidi, you said my breakthrough shall not come to me. You spit it 3 times. You spit it 3 times. You call the person's name 3 times. And after this assignment, relax, sit back, and see what is going. See, this assignment do manifest physically if you do it perfectly well. If you do it perfectly well, I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying, okay? So it has worked for so many people and it has also worked for me. So if you must do this, you have to be very, very serious and you must know the person's name. You don't just assume, be certain. Yes, be certain. Be certain that that is the person. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go on and subscribe because there is a lot coming on in this channel, okay? So guys, that is the end of the video for today. See you guys in the next video. Do have a wonderful week ahead. Remain blessed and please stay safe. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.